Today was Friday, May 10th. It's a little after 11:30 right now, but Friday, May 10th. And even though I goose egged yesterday, I goose egged yesterday, had chocolate delight and everything. I was down 1.1 this morning. I weighed in at exactly 155.0, and I was in total disbelief. My scale is old, and I don't think it works for me consistently, but I'll I'll get on it, get off, put something else on it, and then get back on it and just confirm that it says the same thing, and it did. It was 155.0 over and over and over again. Even after resetting, sort of recalibrating it, it was still 155.0. So that is really exciting. That means I have lost a total of 18 pounds from preloading, and that gives me a total of 20 exactly with loading in 34 VLC days. So I'm still averaging right around half a pound. But that also puts me at, let's see, 158.5 minus, that's 3.5. Yeah, I'm still losing half a pound a day. I was just trying to calculate where I was this time last week. I'm 3.5 lighter than I was this time last week. But the last several weeks had been stalling, and then my birthday cheat and stuff. But this week has been going well. I've had a lot of good releases, and every time I think maybe my body's ready for P3, then I start having good releases again. So, I'm not expecting a big number tomorrow. I'm expecting a small one, if not another goose egg, just the way it's gone this week. I don't want to get my hopes up for it, but I've been drinking a ton of water, and I literally ate exactly the same things that I had yesterday. It wasn't intentional. I worked all day, so I brought with me what I had leftovers of, and it just ended up being the same thing. And I came home and had some more chocolate delight. That was a nice treat. I'll see how it affects me tomorrow, but it's one of those days. I had a really, really long day at work and have been craving something sweet all day. And I figured it was okay last night. I only used a tablespoon of coconut oil in it. It was okay last night. So I decided, why not? I'll try it again and see how it goes. So I guess I'll find out again in the morning how it's going. I'm going to try and drink one more of these before I go to bed. It's like only that much left in it right now. I'm not sure how many I've had today, but I know it's a lot. So that's good. I have this weekend off. Yay! I only ended up getting about 3 hours of sleep last night, which is another reason why I'm really surprised that I was down so much. But I get to sleep as late as I want to tomorrow, and I'm super excited about that. And then the same on same on Sunday. See, I am tired. That 3 hours of sleep is catching up with me quickly. But it's been a good day. Work was awful, but I came home. I got to talk to my friend that's in Afghanistan. We Skyped for a while. That's why I was up so late last night, is that we were Skyping and talking, and he's coming home pretty soon. He can't tell me exactly when until he gets back into the States, but it's soon. So that's exciting. He's been in Afghanistan for a year, and he's finally coming home. So I'm very excited for that. But it's also sort of stressing me out a little bit because I would love to look fantastic by the time I get to see him again. Just because, we've always sort of been in competition with each other, and then I gained a bunch of weight, and he gained a bunch of muscle, and it would be nice for me to see him again for the first time in a year and him not recognize me. That would be fantastic. And I'm well on my way there. 18 pounds is amazing. But part of me is like, how can I extend this round? I still have 11 days left. My last injection day will be May 21st. So, I mean, I've still got a while to see how much more I can lose between now and then. My goal for this round is still 150, which will put me at another 5 pounds, get me to 23 total. I would love to go more than that, but I've been doing a ton of research, and it is important. I would rather spend several weeks on P3, P4 and try and stabilize and sort of reset everything and make sure I can maintain there before I drop down, because I don't want to regain everything. I will not let that happen again. So I would rather spend the time stabilizing, and then I am going to load. I decided when I was going to load in June for my next round, but he's tentatively thinking it'll be July, the first week of July that he gets back. So I think I'm going to wait and plan my next round around that. So extend that P3 for a couple of weeks, P3, P4 for a couple of weeks, and load when he gets back, because he has a bunch of restaurants that we want to go to, and I'd rather be able to use that for my advantage for loading. So I think I'm going to wait, push it out. It's only 2 more weeks, which I mean, I'm fine with that, especially since my current round is going a week longer than I originally thought it would. And then, yeah, so I guess everything got pushed out a little bit, but I'm okay with it. I'm hoping that I lose what I want to lose between now and then, and I feel like no matter what it is, I'll be happy with it. I want to be in the best shape that I can be in, physically and mentally, and I think mentally I've grown leaps and bounds from where I started with this, and physically I am shrinking, and it's a very exciting feeling. Very, very exciting. I'm noticing it. People at work are noticing my scrubs. I'm like swimming in my scrubs. And just clothes that I haven't been able to wear in a long time are starting to fit or are too big. And it's good. It's a good feeling. So I'm happy. I just hope I have more good releases tomorrow. But I think I'm defrosting some chicken right now. I've been eating a ton of beef lately, but I've, in comparison, done really well on it. At least this week, the chili and stuff I've done fantastic with it. So I am defrosting some chicken right now. I think I'm going to try and make a chicken chili instead of the beef and try and get a different protein source in there. I'm having issues stomaching fish and shrimp right now. It's just one of those texture things, like just thinking about it gets my gag reflex going. So I think I'm just going to finish the round on beef and chicken. I've been trying to add in some different veggies. Like I had some broccoli tonight. Because while it might not be on everybody's list, it's on the list that the clinic gave me of P2 approved food. So I had some broccoli and spinach tonight, sauteed it up with a little bit of coconut oil. And then I love radishes. Those are another go-to for me. So I might make radishes tomorrow and have radishes with it instead. But I'm just excited to sleep in and enjoy having a weekend off and not having school to do. I am done with school, at least until my summer class starts, but it'll be okay. So I hope everybody else had good releases or just had good stabilizing days, and I'm hoping the steroids are gone for good. I'm still having issues breathing in the morning, but I have not taken the Pred pack yet. I don't think I'm going to. I've just been using my Symbicort inhaler, and it's so far between that and the bronchodilator, everything's okay. And I know it's low dose steroids, but it's not as bad as taking Pred. So yeah, I will stop rambling. But this weekend, I'm doing more pictures and measurements on Sunday. I'm so excited to put pictures together. And I tried on a bikini today that I've had in my drawer for a very long time, and it didn't look bad. I'm not ready to go public with it, like at the pool here or anything, but it didn't look bad. And that was really exciting and encouraging to see. So I think I'm going to try and go to bed here relatively soon and get a good night's sleep. And I will talk to you all tomorrow. So, all right, I hope everyone has a good night. Bye.